May mga scam na malayo pa lang nagsusumigaw na. Ma'am, nanalo po kayo ng brand new car. Just send 5,000 for processing. Obvious scam, 'di ba? Pero may mga scam din na parang normal lang. Invest 5,000 today, earn 50,000 next week, guaranteed. Sounds too good to be true, 'di ba? Ngayon, paano mo malalaman kung scam? May mga signs 'yan. Too good to be true. Kung 10 times na agad ang balik, baka hindi legit yan. Pressure tactics. Laging minamadali. Promo today only. Para di ka na mag-research. Gumagamit ng emotions. Maawa ka, kailangan ko lang ng 500. Scam alert. No clear details, walang website, walang legit na office, at puro screenshots lang ng payouts. Registered ba sa appropriate regulatory body? Saan mo i-check? SEC for investment, stock offerings, and corporations. BSP naman for banks, e-wallets, and other financial institutions. Insurance Commission naman for insurance policies, HMOs, and pre-need plans. If the investment or company isn't registered with the appropriate agency, red flag na agad yon and could be an illegal or Ponzi scheme. Always verify first before you invest. Tandaan, the best person to protect your money is you. Sana nakatulong and follow to learn more.